Australia is home to some of the world's largest saltwater crocodile farms. Premium Nile crocodiles are carefully raised in secure, modern farms. Thailand is known for large-scale Siamese crocodile breeding facilities. Advanced technology supports sustainable crocodile farming. Freshwater crocodile farms combine conservation with premium leather production. The saltwater crocodile is the world's largest living reptile.
Nile crocodiles are famous for their strength and resilience.
The Siamese crocodile is one of the world's rarest crocodile species. American crocodiles thrive in warm coastal wetlands. Freshwater crocodiles are known for their agility and adaptability. Luxury crocodile leather phone cases combine elegance with durability. Every luxury wallet is crafted with precision and care. Premium belts are designed for luxury and long-lasting quality. Luxury watch straps showcase exceptional craftsmanship. Luxury crocodile leather shoes represent timeless craftsmanship. Welcome to the Halal factory, where luxury meets precision. Every premium hide passes strict quality inspection. Precision cutting ensures a fit for every phone case. Expert craftsmanship transforms leather into luxury.
Premium crocodiles arrive for careful inspection.
Every crocodile undergoes a detailed veterinary examination. Strict hygiene standards ensure premium quality. Only premium hides move to the next stage. Premium leather is now ready for manufacturing. The leather is softened for premium quality. Every sheet is calibrated with precision. Every edge is polished to perfection. Luxury phone cases come together with expert craftsmanship. Every stitch is crafted with precision. Each case receives a premium embossed finish. soft lining protects every premium device. Every case passes strict quality standards. Luxury phone cases are ready for premium packaging. Luxury phone cases are prepared for customers around the world. A flawless finish brings out the leather's natural beauty. Every case tested for perfect functionality.
Every product is cleaned before final approval.
Premium products are packed for global delivery. The luxury phone cases are ready for customers worldwide. Luxury products are displayed in an elegant showroom. Customers choose premium craftsmanship with confidence. Every product is photographed with perfection. Cleanliness is essential to premium production. Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory. Every corner is cleaned to the highest standard. Regular maintenance keeps every machine performing perfectly.
Every production area is inspected before the next cycle.
The factory is ready for another day of excellence. Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory.